Okay guys, today I want to talk a little bit about a 2016 Buick Encore. As you can see, this is a certified vehicle. It's only got 33,000 miles, so the certification takes the bumper-to-bumper warranty up to 48,000 miles. Also takes the certified warranty out to 100,000 miles on the powertrain, the motor and transmission. Underneath the hood here, we have your 1.4 turbocharged engine. It's going to get you over 30 miles to the gallon. This is an all-wheel drive, so you're getting that kind of gas mileage with all-wheel drive. Let's walk around to the back here, show you a little bit back there. Hey guys, here we are in the back of the Encore. Underneath here, this is one of the few SUVs that still comes with a spare tire. Most of them are just giving you an air compressor, which isn't the best thing. You want to have the spare tire. It's a safety feature in the back too. And I have the half of the seat folded down just so you can see the storage space you do get in the vehicle if you're hauling anything from Lowe's, Walmart, something like that. Go ahead, hop inside. Okay, here we are inside the 2016 Buick Encore. We have the 8.1-inch backup screen, so whenever you're backing up, see everything behind you. Your Bluetooth controls, it will play your Bluetooth music wirelessly or plug into the USB port. We have the radio controls, everything's right on the steering wheel for you, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road. Power driver's seat, of course, automatic transmission, fully automatic all-wheel drive. Stop on in, take this thing for a ride. You're going to be surprised how quiet and powerful they are. I'll see you whenever you get here. Just come down to Delaney's, 724-349-3000. We'll see you later.